In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your ClickUp calendar with an external calendar. It's a very straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through every step with clarity and ease. Whether you're new to ClickUp or just looking to streamline your workflow, this tutorial will make connecting your calendars a breeze. Let's get started. First, take a look at the top left corner of your ClickUp screen. Here, you'll notice a tab labeled Workspace. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Now, locate Settings within this menu and click on it. This settings section is where you'll be making the necessary adjustments to enable your calendar sync. Next, within the Settings area, scroll down to the bottom section. There, you'll see a label marked Calendar. Click on it, and a new window will appear showcasing different calendars available for synchronization. At this point, you'll want to select the specific calendar you wish to sync with ClickUp. Once you've made your choice, proceed to connect it. When you click to connect, a new window will open, guiding you through the steps required to log in and sync your chosen calendar. It's important to follow these instructions carefully, as they are tailored to ensure a smooth integration process. Usually, this will involve logging into your calendar provider if you're not already signed in. Don't worry. This step is straightforward, often just requiring your usual login credentials. Once you've completed the login and followed any additional prompts, the integration between ClickUp and your external calendar will be successfully established. This means that you can now enjoy the seamless integration of both platforms, allowing you to effortlessly import data and keep your schedule in perfect harmony. This integration is a powerful tool, ensuring you never miss a deadline and stay on top of all your tasks across different platforms, and that's it. You have now successfully synced your ClickUp calendar with an external calendar. It might seem like a minor task, but getting your calendars integrated is a major step towards managing your time more effectively and staying organized across your digital spaces. Whether you're sharing schedules with a team or coordinating personal appointments, having everything in one unified view makes life so much easier. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. By syncing your calendars, you've taken an important step towards enhanced productivity. Remember, staying organized is a journey, and I'm glad I could be part of yours today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help. Have a great day, and happy organizing!